Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add FB pixel code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see header and footer section, so click on it. So we are going to add Facebook meta code. Now global header and footer section open, so you can add your code here. Now paste. Now you see meta pixel code added in header section. Before header section close and then you see save changes, so click on it. Now go to website and then right click on it and then you see view page source, so again click on it. Now find here meta pixel. Now you see this is our code we added using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.